Naija go donate $3 million to fight humanitarian crisis. PMB na him talk this one. Presido Buhari don put mouth inside the establishment of African Humanitarian Agency wey go help get common position for humanitarian matter and create ogbonge structure wey go answer and coordinate humanitarian katakata for Naija like conflict, displacement, climate shocks and inflation sake of the socio-economic impact of COVID-19 and Russia and Ukraine war. Presido Buhari wey promise $3 million to support the agency talk this one for the extraordinary session of assembly for heads of state and government wey gather for Malabo, Equatorial Guinea on Friday, May 27 sake of the humanitarian crisis for Africa. Senegal Presido Macky Sall wey be African Union Chemo and other ogbonge speakers wey chook mouth come talk say na ogbonge time this summit take shele.
Because, as they say, prevention is better than cure. The plight of these millions of persons, men and women of all ages, frustrated and hopeless, appeals to our collective conscience.
The African humanitarian agencies from this continent, for the people of the continent, has all the potential to make a world of difference. In Africa, certainly, but also beyond. And I'm here on behalf of Mr. Antonio Guterres to tell you that the United Nations is here to stand with you, is here to help.
Buhari come talk say out of 5 million internally displaced people for the region, 70% na from Naija. Say humanitarian katakata dey very dangerous and need dey for everybody to respond.
As a government, our immediate response was creation of a Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development in order to respond quickly to all situations of displaced persons and disaster management. Through the ministry, government established internally displaced persons camps in every part of the country for refugees, returnee migrants, and displaced persons. We also have introduced a conditional cash transfer scheme whereby a monthly cash transfer is made to the very poor and vulnerable in our society.
Presido come promise say Naija will be the largest economy for Africa. They committed to establish African Humanitarian Agency.
The rationale is to forge a common African position on humanitarian effectiveness and to create an appropriate continental architecture to effectively respond and coordinate humanitarian crises on the continent.
Ebu Sereme Ubinome, TMC TV News.